Okay, hello. This is a quick review, security review of the Prompt Security browser extension. I found a few problems with this, and I am going to demo them now. So, I've got this little Cloudflare tunnel set up and an API key. So I'm going to put hi, this is an API key, and as we can see, it's the like a password field. So I guess it's not meant to get leaked. Now I've set up this demo page, and as you may be able to see from before, it leaks the user email, API key, and domain. So if I were to just refresh this one quick, we can see it's got the hi, this is an API key, API domain, and user email that it's leaking. And then I'm just going to change this quick. So hi API key, I'm just going to put in there so we can see this works. There we go. And then it does other things like DLP policy fingerprinting. So it essentially says any site can request to say like, hey, would this get flagged? And then we get response. This mock server that I've set up doesn't flag anything and it accepts anything. It just logs everything. So you can also see what's monitored, these different domains. Again, this is from my mock server. And then we can spam the API with requests. So yeah, this is pretty bad. I think the API key, I don't think you can really leak much with the API key, but say for example, if you were trying to get someone fired and you could just ping off requests to the API and you have their email to do so as well. Um, yeah, that's it. Well, mostly it. Then we've got disable DLP actually. So we can disable that locally. Uh, this is stored in memory. So say, for example, if the user were to refresh the page, refresh the extension or restart Chrome, the DLP would be re-enabled and they'd have to go back to this site. But as demoed, this can run on any website. It doesn't need to be one of these AI sites. I've just got it on localhost at the moment. And there are kind of no restrictions to get this information. It's just a user has to visit a site or potentially visit a site with a malicious iframe. And yeah, there we go. All right. And then finally, there's wipe logs. This just wipes the local debug logs. So it's not like the full logs, but it's still something that any site probably shouldn't be able to do.